no? Big boy. Like you. Oh, you're really good. Come on.
Gabe, Gaby, where are we going?
Nous invitons les clients voyageant avec de jeunes enfants ou ayant besoin d'aide à embarquer par la porte E73.
Ay, doon daw sa kabila.
Can you touch all the way here? No, you can't do it. No, you can't. You have to get away.
Oo, on. Gaby, do not push. Hi, Twix! Lolo! We're going out of Canada. We're going to United States. USA.
Asan sila Twix? Kaya mo sila Twix?
Andyan na. Anong gate ba tayo?
70. Bakit paano hindi question and answer? Baby bag na blue.
And then I call your brother. You see.
Andyan dala sabi ni si green na pouch.
Wala daw iyakan. Umiyak naman.
Siyuyak.
Si ate pa.
Yeah. You carry your brother.
Ako lang nasa phone ko.
déplacer dans la pochette de votre siège ou dans le porte-bébé écrite de nombreuses mesures de sécurité pour cet appareil. Veuillez en prendre connaissance.
Who's crying?
Et nous vous rappelons de ne pas utiliser... Oh non, pardon, merci.
Ano daw? Going down. There's the building. Oops. Ganda. Treno.
Magaling pa rin.
Let's go! We're here at LAX, Los Angeles, Lolo. We're here at LA. Ready na si nanay sa LA. Yung attire. We're here at Los Angeles, California. Asan na sila? Kumanan.
Kanan sa baggage claim.
Sorry. Kanan. Yes. Here.
And then are you guys gonna be returning the van here?
We're here. Wow. It has a playground. Wow, this is the kitchen. Oh, it's so nice. The kitchen. Wow, it's a big house. Wow. And also, there's a playground. Where? Oh, there's a picnic ground. Here's the playground. Gibby, you have a playground. Wow, big TV. Gib. This is a nice house. Ganda ng bahay ni Ate Pam. Wow. This is Trixie's room with the ceiling fan. And this is Lola's room. Wow. This is a nice house. Lolo, you like it? And here is baby Kai sleeping. Here is baby Kai sleeping. And look at the big TV. So big. And here's the backyard. Oh. Oh, you look. There's a playground at the back. Wow. This is a nice house. Oy, maipit, Lolo. Oh, here's the master's bathroom. Wow, it's so clean. Wow, meron pang shampoo. Wow. Are you happy, Trixie? You have a playground? Are you happy, baby?
Extra towel, kitchen towel, toilet paper inside.
Pwede yan. Eh, may mga shampoo doon. Pwede din yun.
Huwag mo na. Mami,
Wag na. No. Ito na. Ito yung van namin. Diyos ko, ang laki-laki ng van namin. Kasya tayong lahat. nakuha na nila kanina. Oh, ito yung house. Tapos may garden. May garden. Sarili yung garden. Ang laki-laki. Oh, ayan yung house. Tapos, ayan. So, sa likod, merong playground. Malamig din, pero maaraw. Parang Baguio. Oh, ayan. Sana makita nyo. Pakita mo kay Tito Yoyong. Thank you so much. Pero sobrang triple ang lamig sa Canada. Eto. Nandito na kami sa US, sa Amerika, Los Angeles. Coming in. May code yan eh. Yan. We're going inside the house. This is the kitchen. Oh, that is the kitchen. Oh, may the sala. Oh, tapos may washroom pa dito. Ayan, ayan si Buntis. Bininyagan na yung CR. Ayan, 2 bedrooms. Wow! 2 bedrooms to.
And my cute maletas is so pink.
Yes, so pink. Ayan, ang bed nila. Okay kayo dyan tatlo, no? Ano ba yan? Naka-ebak dito ang...
Ano kayo?
Dito kami ni Lolo. Hoy, nagubad ng ano yung... oh. So, anong oras ang appointment? This is the bathroom, the common bathroom, and this is the tub and the hot water. Oh. There. Where's Lolo? Nag-playground. Oh, mag-ayos na tayo. Maglikpit-likpit lang. Tapos, yung mga...
Guys, wait lang ha. Brief ko kayo ha.
Are you having fun? Wow! This is your new house, Trixie. Trixie, this is your new house. Oh, dahan-dahan na. Wow!
Ito tayo sa loob.
We're in LA. Dada's driving. With the gang ng mga umiiyak na bata. Hi, Kuya Gaby.
Hello.
Hi, TC. Hi, TC. Love you, TC. Tulog si baby kay Lolo, Lola. Dada. House driving in LA. Ang tirik lang ng araw eh. Yan.
Ala, sumasayaw. You're in the California.
Sexy, hold mama. Sexy
Where is Chipotle? There. Ang laki ng sasakyan natin. Ang laki ng sasakyan. Chipotle. We'll eat there. Baka ay, wag na yan. Isang yan. Wag na yan. Wag na yan, Lolo.
Kapal-kapal na, no?
Karga mo na lang yan, hindi na kayo makapasok. Karga na lang para makapasok na tayo doon.
No more.
Sabi ko sa'yo, kargahin mo na eh.
Oh, I will
Hi
not hold
Kuya,
you.
where are we?
Oh, you walk. Okay, do it. Okay, do it.
Canada muna tayo.
No, we're in LA. Hi Twixie. Hi everybody. We're gonna eat at Mommy's favorite, Chipotle. Yay!
Oh, see? Asan yung rose? Andyan lang yung rose. Jamba Juice.
I want McDonald's.
McDonald's daw siya.
Nahanap tayo Kuya.
Hanap, we'll find McDonald's, okay?
Oh, dance acrobatics. May dance studio.
Ano ba tayo dito sa loob ng, sasakyan?
Oh, pero wala pang magandang